Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Kiever, here to show you how DeviceWise can take your operation today and empower you into the future. Any type of device you want to connect to, we have the driver for. Something you have is in front of you or something that you're thinking about in the future, we have to be able to just click, go, and done. If you want to connect to it, it's as easy as dropping in an IP address. We take care of all the enumeration and heavy lifting. You can see the data in real time, read it in, graph it, and watch it at your fingertips. Allows you to see what's happening behind the scenes as easy as any screen that you can turn on. If you want to customize what you see, you can jump into here and drag a block around. You don't have to be a programmer. As long as you can drag a block, create a flowchart, you are the programmer, you are the expert. You can even jump even further into visualization. If you can use any of our pre-done templates, our Smart Start systems, or you can come over here and customize it at your fingertips. It's a drag and drop system that you can use for anything to empower you, your team, to be able to collect, connect, and interact with any type of system that you want to now and in the future.